I installed a hidden camera to watch my African gray parrot while I was at work. At first, everything seemed normal. She preened her feathers, ate some seeds, and squawked at the window. But then something strange happened. She started copying my exact morning routine. First, she used her beak to straighten the bed sheets, just like I do every day. Then she organized the papers on my desk into neat little piles. But what she did next completely blew my mind. She walked over to the coffee machine and started pressing the buttons in the exact same sequence I use every morning.